I'm sure this has happened to everyone at least once. It happens to me a lot because I'm very lazy. So sometimes I just want one extra SubD level to smooth out my mesh a little bit more, but I forget what level I'm at, so I start guessing around. So Control 3, now Control 4, hey, there it is. So instead of doing that, I decided to just make a script that will take whatever level I'm currently in and add +1, and I bound it to PgUp and then PgDown to do the exact opposite. So it's very handy if you don't know what level you're in. And another cool thing about this script is even if you don't have subdivision levels and you press PgUp, it will add one for you. And of course, once you go all the way down to 0, it won't delete it. It'll just stay at 0, so it's still there. And another thing that I wanted for this script was for it to ignore anything that's not a mesh. Because for those of you that don't know, you can actually add SubD modifiers to curves. You can add a bunch of different modifiers actually, but I do not like this. I much prefer controlling the curve resolution using the actual resolution slider right here. So I wanted my script to ignore everything so that I can press A to select my entire scene and then just press PgUp and it will still subdivide all of my meshes, you know, if everything needs a little bit extra smoothness. I'm thinking I might make it so that if you have nothing selected, it will act as if everything were selected, just like in Modo, but I don't know. For now, you have to select everything to increase your SubD level.